Hey everyone, if you have tasks that need to be completed regularly, creating them manually every time can be a waste of effort. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create recurring tasks in Asana so you can automate repeated work and keep your schedule organized. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. Then choose the project where you want to create a recurring task. Recurring tasks can be used for things like weekly reports, regular meetings, content schedules, or routine team activities. Next, create a new task or open an existing task that you want to repeat. Add a clear task name and include any important details, such as instructions, attachments, or project information. Now, click the due date section inside the task. This is where you can set when the task should be completed. Look for the option to repeat or make the task recurring. Choose how often you want the task to repeat. Asana lets you set schedules like daily, weekly, monthly, or custom intervals. For example, you can create a task that repeats every Monday or one that happens on the first day of each month. After choosing your schedule, adjust any additional settings. You can decide when the recurring task should stop, which day it repeats, and whether completed tasks should create new copies. Setting these options correctly helps keep your workflow clean. Next, assign the recurring task to the right person and organize it inside the correct project or section. You can also add subtasks, priority levels, and custom fields to provide more context. To edit a recurring task later, open the task and update the repeat settings. You can change the schedule, pause the recurrence, or remove the repeating option completely. Reviewing recurring tasks occasionally prevents outdated tasks from filling your project. And that's how to create recurring tasks in Asana. By setting up repeated tasks automatically, you can save time, reduce manual work, and make sure important activities never get forgotten. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.